Brief description about SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio is a tool included with Microsoft SQL Server 2005 and later versions for configuring, managing, and administrating all components within Microsoft SQL Server. The tool includes both script editors and graphical tools which work with objects and features of the server. A central feature of SQL Server Management Studio is the Object Explorer, which allows the user to browse, select, and act upon any of the objects within the server. And now we will see how to work with SQL Server Management Studio. This is the logo of SQL Server Management Studio Express. If you select this, you can see the loading page. This might take few minutes. And this is the connect to server page. If you want to work with Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio Express, you can click the connect button to continue. This is the main page of SQL Server Management Studio, and you can add new database which you want. And enter the database name and press OK button. You can see a new database in the Object Explorer. Click the New Query button from the standard toolbar. And you can see a window for implementation, and there is no tables in the option Object Explorer bar. On the SQL Editor toolbar, select the needed database from the database drop-down list. In your case, you can select PLDC. Now you can implement the code like this. First, you must write the create table and which you want name. After the implementation, click execute button. After the execute, if you haven't any errors, you can display the message like commands completed successfully. After the implementation, you can create queries. Now we can see the basic query. Select asterisk from your table name. Select all and execute. Now we can see your table. And Object Explorer, you can see your tables. If you want to design the query, you can get New Query to click the New Query button from the standard toolbar. On the SQL Editor toolbar, select the needed database from the database drop-down list, in our case PLDC. On the SQL Editor toolbar, click on the Design Query on Editor button. Follow the steps in next section to select the needed table, then build and test the query. You can select your tables and click Add button. And there is show your tables and your connectivity. Click OK button. And you can see the query. Select all and execute. And you can get your answer.